Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to do a really simple and quick macrame coaster. So let's get started. I'm using this 3mm macrame cord. Basically you're going to cut one 5-foot cord and then 5 cords at 30 inches. You're going to start off by making a small loop using one end of the 5-foot cord. Now using the 30-inch cords, you're going to create a reverse lark's head knot by folding the cord in half, placing it under the loop, and pulling the ends of that cord through the loop that's created. You're going to repeat this for each of the 5 30-inch cords. Now pull the long end of the long cord to tighten, and you're going to see that it creates a circle of cords. Using the 5-foot cord as your base, bring the base cord on top of the cord to the right of it, and then create the number 4 over the base cord and loop it under and tighten. Repeat this again in order to create a double hatch hitch knot. Continue this technique with the rest of the cords. If you see a gap, don't worry. You're just going to add a 28-inch cord onto the base cord, and you're going to do that by using the reverse lark's head knot technique. After that, you're just going to continue with the double hatch hitch knot technique. Once you get the desired size for the coaster, you're just going to pull the base cord through the coaster to tuck it into the back and cut off the excess. Trim the cords to make an even circle. Now using a comb or a brush, just brush out the ends of the cord. Start off at the tips and then move your way upwards, and then trim the ends if needed. And there you have it, a really simple and easy macrame coaster.